Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you this beautiful house today. Let's see the neighborhood first. We just drove around and this is how it's look. It's really quiet. It has apartment buildings there, which is not really good if you're renting single family house. But if you're gonna go to this street right there, we just drove around trying to find parking, and prices right there, it's about 200,000. This house definitely need work. As you can see, there is a porch problem, it's leaning down, but look at all these details and all this work. This house just really need love. This is probably historical house. It has been boarded up, and I'm gonna go inside right now. People who I came with just walk out. They don't want to deal with something like this. But let me show it to you how it's look inside. Okay. It has a high ceiling. It has fireplace. It has some problems here.
Yeah.
And smell, it's terrible, let me tell you. This house has been abandoned for so many years, I would say. And all this need work. It has been boarded up, so we cannot really go to the basement. This is boarded up.
Oh, wow.
I'm not sure how to get to the second floor. Probably from here.
Yeah.
Do you think I can go to the second floor?
Yeah. Do you want to go up?
I want to go up.
wow.
You don't need to. Okay, I'm good. I am good. Let's see
Yes.
how it looks. Oh, yeah. This house needs a lot of work.
Mm-hmm.
Windows missing,
Yeah.
but surprisingly no leaks here and no smell here.
I know it's
But look at this
that's the
wall.
only thing I think of roof damage as well.
Look how strange it is. You see the angle? Windows need to be new.
Yeah, it was expensive. It was expensive. They had
That's
to
how
just
it's look
carve in a new
outside.
roof.
And one more bedroom right here.
That and then just typical, you know, stuff.
Yeah, this house need work. Floors, some structural damage here. Floors are bubbling really.
Okay, yeah.
1, 2, 3. 3 bedroom and 2 bedrooms downstairs.
Okay.
It's really difficult to see the potential in here, but you probably need to put a lot of money, but you can make a lot of money if you restore this house. I'm sure there is plenty of people who like this kind of details and high ceilings. And again, this neighborhood is going for around 200. And this house, let me show you.
No
Price
text
on
found
it.
at that location.
It's 45,000. Again, you wanna contact my guy. He's the greatest one. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy your day.
No text found at that location. No text found at that location.